Welcome to BMWworldstickers.com. This time is going to be the GS 1200 2004-2007, and the design goes back to the same, facing north. Here we have the left of the bike, which will be the west side of the world, with north cap on the beak, and on the right side Russia and China, which means basically the east of the world. Here we have a map which is in black or in white according to the color of the bike. Remember, we do combinations. Thank you for visiting us. We accept PayPal or eBay. Thank you and safe rides.